How to turn on or turn off Samsung Health in customized apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on General Management. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Customization Service. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on Samsung Health. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off Samsung Health. And here, when you turn it on, you can get tips on how to improve your sleep. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.